Maraming man-down sa'yo kung gusto mo makaangat. Pero ang mas nakakatakot, yung pagsisisi. Because the life you live now depends on what you fear the most. Kung mas natatakot ka sa rejection kesa sa regret in the future, hindi ka talaga magta-try. Kung mas natatakot kang magtayo ng negosyo versus maging failure habang buhay at i-regret na hindi mo man lang na-try, hindi ka talaga magta-try. Pero kung para sa'yo, mas nakakatakot yung regret, mas nakakatakot yung kahirapan, mas nakakatakot yung hindi mo man lang na-try, hindi mo man lang nasubukan, hindi mo man lang maisa sa buhay yung pangarap mo. Kung mas nakakatakot sa'yo yung sobrang lalim na regret, you will take massive action. You will at least try. You will start your own business. You will start creating content. You will start selling products. You will do something. It's because again, in your mind's eye, maybe your intuition is telling you, mas nakakatakot yung regret. So ikaw ang pipili. Anong mas nakakatakot? Rejection, regret, or flying ipis?